It was just a couple of weeks ago that we first caught a glimpse of Google's alleged Pixel 3 Lite. The device, also known as Sergo, has since shown up in a new batch of images along several other devices including past Pixels and even iPhones. A photo post from Weisler.com today depicts the Google Pixel 3 Lite alongside several other devices, which gives us a great sense of how this budget Pixel compares to the competition. Firstly, the post actually goes over Sergo alongside other Pixel models. This includes the original 5-inch Pixel, which unsurprisingly is fairly close its overall design. Two other images compares to the size of the Google Pixel 3 Lite to the recent Google Pixel 3 XL. Of course, with its far larger 6.4-inch screen, the Pixel 3 XL dwarfs Sergo. The rear view of these two devices side by side also helps to show how the design differs because of change in material. Where the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL are made from glass and metal, Sergo is reportedly all plastic, and it certainly shows. Another images from Twitter also shows of the Pixel 3 Lite alongside the smaller Pixel 3, which shows a nearly identical size from the front. In further images from the post, we can see how Sergo compares to the size in several other devices. For me personally, the comparison with the iPhone XR is the most interesting as the two devices appear nearly identical in size. While Apple's devices is more expensive, it also seems like that in some regions the Pixel 3 Lite and iPhone XR will likely be in competition with one another. We don't get any details from these latest leaks aside from the size, but the post does reiterate a few things that we already learned. That includes the Snapdragon 670 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, and the cameras, which is ripped straight from Google's Pixel 3 family. Unfortunately, there is still no information on pricing or a potential release date. So yeah guys, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.